What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18, and on today's unboxing video we got some drivers and horns. But this is the PRO-DRNEO, one of DS18's top selling compression drivers. And over here we have the horns that it's compatible with. A few of them, because we got a lot. So we got one of our most popular best sellings as well. So a little bit about this bad boy. It's a super driver. It's a compression driver, but it's crazy loud. It's heavy. It has a Neo motor. It can handle a lot of power. It has a lot of frequency response. Let's open the box, see what we got. Got DS18 sticker, manual. Let's check this out. Take this out of the way. Take the box out of the way. Oh, got a base blocker in the box. And check out this bad boy. Wow. Trust me guys, you see this in person, it's a different thing. So check out how it looks with our short horn. How about that? Now this is the Pro HA52. Now check it out with the regular one. One of the most popular ones. This is the HA102. Now with this monster, which is the HA202 in red. Check that out. Sweet, isn't it? So some specs on this bad boy. Check it out. Check it out. Now some specs. This is 8 ohms 3-inch voice coil, rated at 600 watts RMS in a frequency range of 900 hertz to 18 kilohertz. So it can handle 600 watts RMS in that frequency response, that frequency range. We add a base blocker to it just to be safe. It's a Neo motor. You got Neo rings, Neo magnets, titanium voice coil. This thing can get loud, very loud I would say. It's compatible with any of our horns to make it suitable for you guys. Sensitivity is 115 dBs, and there you guys have it, the PRO-DRNEO. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.